Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kels. I will be showing you today how I prep my aloe vera plant and detangle my hair with this juicy gel that comes from the aloe vera plant. So, it's very simple. You can do it any way you really like, as long as you're using the gel to detangle your hair. So make sure you cut the sides off and make sure you wash the plant. So you can get any bowl. I'm only using a clear bowl so I could show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I have cut all the plants in the middle. First I diced them in sections and then I cut them in the middle. And then I take a spoon. I recommend to use a spoon because if you use a knife, you might cut yourself because this is very slippery. Use a spoon and just kind of scoop all the gel out in the middle of the plant in a dish. Okay, this can get very messy and slippery. It was sliding out my hand continuously. But if you be careful and try to grip it, you can get it done properly. So get as much gel out of the middle of the plant as much as possible until you get a good amount. So when I was finished with that, I took the spoon and I basically just kind of chopped it up as small as I can in the bowl because the gel was very lumpy and had very big chunks when I scooped it out. So I try to make it smaller. So this is my hair. It's been very dry and just crusty and just extremely embarrassing. But I'm going to just section off my hair in 4 sections and apply the aloe vera to my hair and get my hair detangled as much as possible. So as you can see, it is really thick and very clumpy. You can also use a strainer and put it in the strainer to get all the clumps out as much as possible. But I was kind of pressed for time that day. I really didn't have the time to do that. It's a process, and I decided to just go on in and just throw it on my hair as is and get it as saturated as I could. You can rub the clumps in your hair and it will work just as fine as if you put it in a strainer. So this can get very messy because I didn't put it in a bottle, and I usually strain it and put the juice in a bottle and get all the clumps out. But like I said, I was pressed for time that day and I decided to just throw it in my hair as is and do the best I could. So you better have like a towel available near you somewhere because it's going to get really messy. Okay, so I decided before I use a brush or a comb, I'm going to just kind of rake my fingers through it a little just to get the feel. It gives a lot of slip, so it will be very easy to detangle when you're ready to use your brush or your comb. Make sure you use like a big teeth comb or like a paddle brush. It's easier. So if you have low porosity hair, it's gonna just sit on top of your hair shaft. So you have to like take some time to saturate the gel in your hair because it's just gonna sit on top of your hair. I had to work it in for a while before I actually use my brush or my comb to run it through my hair. Now, when you're using your brush or your comb, make sure you start at the ends of your hair and take your time and work your way up to the roots, because you don't want to start at the root and try to brush your hair out. It's not going to be a good idea. So just take your time. There's a lot of slip. It will be easy. Just work your way through to the roots. By the way, I do this every time I take my protective styles out. I usually keep my protective styles in, say around every, I keep it in for like 2 months or maybe up to 4 months. And whenever I do take it out, my hair is so matted and dry, I can't just run to go wash my hair like that. It will make it even worse. So this is what I do to detangle my hair. It makes wash day very easy and very manageable. Using aloe vera to your hair brings a lot of benefit as well. It has enzymes that repairs dead skin cells on your scalp, and it's such a great conditioner that leaves your hair smooth and shiny, and it also makes your curls pop, as you can see. And it prevents itching and reduces dandruff. It also has a lot of vitamins like vitamin A, C, and E, vitamin B12, and folic acids. Both of these components can help your hair from falling out. So just apply it to your scalp and let it sit for like an hour. It can boost your hair growth as well. So I really highly recommend to use this each time you take a protective hairstyle out, or you can even do it 2 to 3 times a week as needed. It's totally safe also to use it daily, even overnight. You can apply it in your hair before going to bed and wash it out in the morning. It will definitely promote healthy hair growth. You can use it daily, but just be careful because it contains cooling properties that can cause a cold. So what I do, I detangle my hair and I leave it in for like 25 minutes or even up to an hour. And not a lot of hair came out when I was doing it. I usually get way more hair coming out of my head when I detangle my hair. So what I do when I take it out, I just wash it out with a mild shampoo and conditioner. And then I pat dry it with a t-shirt. I don't really recommend using a towel because it will make your hair really dry, if you're gonna use a towel, you could just use it and just pat your hair gently, not just kind of suck up all the water out your hair. So I just twist my hair up and continue with my styling. And I take out my style in the morning and I wear it as I please. So I guess it's best to use it once or twice a week if you really want to use it on a regular basis. But I use it every time I take it out of a protective style, or if my hair just feels really dry, then I'll use it, You can even use avocado and any essential oils or olive oil and mix it with it, blend it with it, and you can put it in a spray bottle and use it that way as well. I used to do that, and you can see all the benefits it comes with when you do it that way as well. So I'm gonna let you continue watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave any comments down below and I will answer any questions you may have. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and thank you for watching my video. And please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Love you guys. I talk to you later. Bye.